Welcome back, guys. This is another section in our web development journey. So the code editor we'll be using is Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is Visual Studio Code is the code editor we'll be using. So what you need to do is that head over to your Chrome or Microsoft Edge and type Visual Studio Code. Then install it. Install from their official website, and after that you are good to go and install it on your device. So it's as simple as that. The code editor we'll be using is Visual Studio Code. So after installing the code editor, okay, if you are using Windows, you click Windows. If you are using Linux, you click this, and if you are using Mac, you click this, then you install. So after installing it, you get something like this. I will upload it on the screen right now. So after installing the Visual Studio Code, you install it on your computer, and after installing that on your computer, you get to see the application if you open it. So guys, after installing it, you will see something like this. That means you successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your computer. So after that, I will just need you to head over to this place. This is the extension. So you download Live Server. So what is Live Server? Live Server allows you to launch your code from the code editor to your browser. It allows you to launch your code from the code editor to your browser instead of going to your file. Instead of going to your file to open the open your instead of going to your file explorer to open your code to open your file on the browser, you get to launch it from the code editor directly. So let me just show you an example. Okay, let me show you what you will install first. Let me show you what you install. You install Live Server after clicking this extension right here. I said you click this extension, and here you search Live Server. So you search Live Server. So let's wait for it to pop up. So this is the Live Server. This is what you install on your computer. So you install this Live Server. So how does the Live Server work? How does it work? So let me just show you by opening a folder. Okay, let me just show you. We open a folder. I've written some code already, so I'll just open the folder so that you understand what I meant. So that you understand what I meant. So this is one of my projects. So this is one of my projects. We'll launch it using Live Server right now. So you understand what the Live Server does. So we right click, and when you right click it, you right click, then you see open with Live Server. You see open with Live Server. So this is it, open with Live Server. So when you open with Live Server, everything you are programming in your code editor will be displayed in your browser. It will launch to the browser immediately. So that's just how what the live server does. That's what it does. It actually makes it easier for programmers to just see the result of what they are doing on their browser immediately doing instead of typing something like Control O and opening the document. Uh, so instead of typing Control, you open it and you view it on your browser. Instead of doing that, you just launch it using Live Server. You open it using Live Server from your code editor. So let's sustain to the end of this video. Remember to please like, subscribe, and share to your friends that you felt they want to learn web development from scratch. Remember to share them the link of this channel if you have friends that also want to learn web development from scratch. So in the next video, we'll be moving directly into the web development course. We'll be writing our first code, and we will be viewing it on our browser. So thanks for staying to the end of this video.